Hey guys, in this video we're going to be reviewing the TEMU Bamboo Mattress. Now, this one that I got was only £14. It was on an offer, 80% off. There's only 46 left, right? And this one is actually about, let me show you the seller. This is the name of the seller. Really great product. Honestly, it was very comfortable, very soft, value for money. Okay, exactly as it is advertised, right? You get this embroidered design mat, and it's portable. It's cool. It's actually cool. It's good for the summer, and it's very breathable. It's very soft. As you can see, we have other people's reviews as well. Okay, as described, 100 bamboo sticks on both sides. As you can see, these are actual pictures. Very good finish. Honestly, for the price, it's worth it. Okay, it's honestly worth it. So you should go for it, I would say, with the offer that it currently is in. Go for it. Also has a free shipping and free returns. Now, if you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to frequently asked questions. I'll see you in the next one.